How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're at Precision Auto, Protective Films in Novi, and today we're going to be showing you how to properly wash your car after getting it ceramic coated. Today, you'll need 3 buckets, 2 for the wash mitts and 1 for the wheels. pH neutral soap, a foam cannon if it's available, a master blaster tool if it's also available, and some microfiber towels for drying. First step is to rinse the vehicle down thoroughly, making sure you hit all the areas with a power washer. We will be using the 2 bucket method to wash this car. 1 bucket is for soapy water, and the other bucket is for clean water for rinsing the mitt. Now, let's get ready to clean the wheels. Grab a separate bucket with separate tools specifically for the wheels so you don't get any dirt or residue on the paint from the wheels. Now you want to spray the car with the foam to loosen the dirt and provide lubrication. Let the foam sit for a minute before rinsing. Now that you let the foam sit for a minute, you want to take a wash mitt and clean the car from top to bottom. Dip the wash mitt into the rinse bucket to get rid of all the contaminants and dirt, and then dip it into the soap bucket to soap it up. After you clean your car with the wash mitt, you want to rinse it thoroughly from the top to the bottom, ensuring all soap and dirt are removed. And finally, you want to use the Master Blaster air tool to dry the car. This eliminates the chances of swirling or scratching that you can get with any sort of towels. When the vehicle is dried using the leaf blower, you can use the microfiber towel to pick up any remaining water left from the vehicle. We encourage our customers to follow these steps to maintain your vehicle. If you have any questions, please contact us or visit our shop in Novi, Michigan. Now that you know all the steps, your car should be clean and ready for the ride.